received one too many of these during the holidays and you're maybe a little bit tired of eating it the same way, well,
we'll show you another way of how we enjoy it.
And we'll show you just how to make it. Coming up next
on Love What You Eat.
Doesn't this look so good? Like, look at that. Look at that. So my mom had a great idea. Some firm set ricotta, which you can drizzle some honey over or maple syrup. You can accompany it with some cream, some syrup, powdered sugar, as you wish. Let's dig in. This smells delicious.
Also, drizzle of honey. You can. There's so many variations that you could top it with.
We're taking a delicious sweet treat and making it even sweeter. Oh,
Yeah.
oh.
And I know that there's a lot of families that they sleep over like on Christmas Eve. So for Christmas morning, this is great.
Brioche bread as a French toast is heaven. If you have not tried it, give it a try. And the different flavors of panettone that you have out there can only make this even more fun and flavorful. You can add some lemon zest, orange zest, even with the honey and the ricotta.
You noticed also that I didn't add any spices like into my
Egg and milk.
Yeah.
Yeah, because usually we would. If we were just be doing plain toast, then my mother would add maybe some cinnamon, some vanilla, a dash of nutmeg. Like, you can flavor your egg and milk mixture just to give it a little bit of spices and flavor.
But there's all the warm spices already in the panettone, so it was going to be an overkill.
So simple to make. So don't be disappointed when you get an abundance of panettone. They keep so well, up to a good 3 months. So you can enjoy so many different type of treats. Plain, even make an Italian ice cream, which is brioche with soft serve ice cream in the center. So you can honestly layer a cake. I have an idea. I'll show you guys how I like to do it too. So many yummy ways to use Italian brioche bread. We hope you guys enjoyed this one. Give it a try. If you do, let us know in the comments down below, and continue to have great holidays. Until next time, anything else to say?
No. Buon Natale a tutti.
Happy holidays, and see you next Sunday for new content. Until then, as always, continue to
Love what you eat.
We know we do. Bye for now.
Ciao. Merry Christmas. Buon Natale.